Today class we are going to solve one problem from the projection of planes chapter with the object circle. Okay, the problem, the question is displayed in the board and I will read it for you. A circular plate of diameter 50 mm, 50 mm is resting on VP by a point on its circumference. The surface of the plate is inclined at 40 degree to VP and its center is 35 mm above HP. You need to draw its projections. The question is very clear, the very simple one also. Here the object is a circle, so just a model for circle, a circle, and its diameter is given as 50 mm. Okay, 50 mm circle diameter. So the radius 25. It's going to rest on VP. Okay, going to rest on VP. In the previous sections also we discussed that the plate surfaces can rest on a flat surface like HP and VP by three different possible conditions. If it is a polygonal plane, it can rest on a surface that is HP or in VP by its one of the edges, or it can rest with one of its corners, otherwise it can rest by its surface. These three possibilities are there in case of a polygonal planes, but circle is a different kind of plane, it's not a polygon. It can rest on a flat plane with the help of its surface, one choice. Another choice is it can rest on this way, like that. So if it is rest in that way, the point of contact is nothing but the surface of contact is nothing but a point. A point in its circumference only going to have touch or contact with the flat plane. So these two possibilities only there in the case of a circle. In this problem also, a circular plate is going to rest on VP by a point on its circumference. That is nothing but it is not resting with its surface. So the next one and only choice is resting on with a point on the circumference. Okay, and the surface is inclined at 40 degree to VP. Automatically, if it is not resting with its surface, definitely some angle of inclination will be there between the surface and the vertical plane, the meantime surface and the horizontal plane also. In that condition, the surface is having 40 degree inclination with VP. And what about the surface and the horizontal plane? It is actually perpendicular. It's actually perpendicular. If the plate is standing in that way, the surface is purely perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Okay, horizontal plane, and it is inclined to the vertical plane. How much inclined? 40 degree inclined. Okay, and the center is 35 mm above HP. The center, maybe this point, the center point of the circle is 35 mm above the horizontal plane. This is what the question here. It's actually not a question, it's an environment. You have to translate these words into graphs, graphical outputs, such as our drawings. Okay, let's do. First of all, we need to draw the XY line. It's our usual duty. XY. Like the previous question, it's also a projection of a planes problem, and in order to draw the simple front view and a simple top view of the given object, first you need to neglect the surface inclination of the object with respect to the particular plane. In this question, the surface inclination of the circular plate is 40 degree with VP. So first you need to neglect it, that is you have to make it 0 and just finding out where should be the base will be available, whether in front view or in top view, and then how should be the base. So now answer me, if I am neglecting the angle of inclination 40 degree with VP with respect to this circular plate, where should be the base will be available? In the front view. So you need to start your drawing your base view of the object in the front view. Thereafter, how should be the base? So how should be the base? In the case of the polygons, the point may be applicable. But in the case of the circle, whatever the alignment of the plane, it will be same. In the case of circle, this question is unnecessary. In any alignment, the circle will be like circle only in the case of the base view. And one more point here is, the circular base should be located its center 35 mm above HP. So above XY you have to maintain 35 mm height. From that point you have to complete the drawing of circular base. This is for circular plane. So first measure 35 mm above the horizontal plane, that is here above the XY line. It's rough dimension only. It's not the true dimension. So I am just measuring 35 mm above the XY line, and from that I need to locate the center of the circle, and I have to draw a circle of diameter 50 mm. For that I can use my compass. Before that I have to measure 25 mm radius in that. Now it's visible somewhat, and immediately you have to split this circle into 8 equal parts. So splitting the circle into 8 equal parts is already did by us in the very first unit. The same way you can split it with 45-degree sectors. Now you needed to name each and every circumference point with the alphabets, starting from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and finally H, and immediately drop the projectors from each and every alphabets. And here actually the top view of this circular plate is nothing but simply a straight line. The straight line will be bounded here. So for your understanding purpose, I am quoting it on the XY line, but in your paper you should not do that. So starting from this point, actually all here we have to give dash. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. That way. This is nothing but your top view, a straight line. And then in the question, the next step is you have to incorporate the surface inclination of the plate with respect to the vertical plane. Actually here the surface inclination is given as 40 degree with respect to VP and the surface of the plate. Now the plate is simply resting on the vertical plane, and there is no angle of inclination between the plate and the vertical plane. But as per the question, you need to make it inclined to 40 inclined to VP with the 40 degree. So for that, first you need to draw the pilot line in the next station. With 40 degree inclination. This angle of inclination is 40 degree, which is given in the question. And then you need to redraw this top view here. So actually measured its length. And mark the 10 minutes. And you can name the points starting from A. Just resemble this one. So here B and H, and here C and G, and there D and F, and finally E. Immediately draw the projectors from top view to front view area. And in order to complete the final front view, you have to obtain the projectors from the previous front view, the horizontal projectors. Now it's time to identify the cut points. So here A and there A dash. The projector, the vertical projector of A will intersect with the horizontal projector of A dash at this point. So here you need to mark the final A dash. Similarly, vertical projector of B, horizontal projector of B dash will intersect here. You can mark B dash, and similarly C, C dash, D dash, D, D dash, E dash, E, E dash, F dash, F, F dash, G dash, G, G dash, H dash, H, H dash. So just I identified all the 8 points from the previous front view and the current top view. Now our duty is to join all these points to obtain the final front view of the circular plate. Actually here the final front view of this circular plate is not looking like a circle. It's approximately looking like a ellipse, like an ellipse. So this profile only you will get after incorporating the angle of inclination with respect to the VP. Now you need to join these all 8 points. For that you can use your French curves. So already I have given you practice how to use the French curves. So by using that French curve, first you can roughly join all the cut points. After that, by using freehand and with HB pencil, you can finish up that. So when you are going to use the French curve, use 2H pencil. So after making it dark, you can go for the HB pencil. Okay, I just completed it. So here the obtained final front view is not exactly a circle. It's approximately an ellipse. So in this way you can solve these kind of problems for the circular objects.